Today we're at CDC Plumbing in Melbourne, and we're going to be talking about the use of OMTrak for the delivery of O&M manuals on major construction projects. So here to talk to us today is Jamie Morrison, Project Manager at CDC Plumbing. So Jamie, could you give us a little bit of background on CDC Plumbing and the types of projects that you guys are involved in?
CDC Plumbing's been around for about 40 years. Our projects around the country include health, defence, residential and retail.
Jamie, tell us about your role at CDC Plumbing.
My role as Project Manager at CDC Plumbing involves organising staff, site safety, meeting budgets, delivering the job on time and of course delivering the O&M manuals ready for handover.
Jamie, tell us about some of the key problems subcontractors experience doing their O&M manuals.
Some of the problems we experience include the inconsistency, conflicting requirements. The contract says one thing, the spec says the other, the consultant requires something different, then the owner rejects it anyway. If only they could tell us what they want.
So Jamie, when's the best time to do O&M manuals?
Look, the industry tends to leave the O&M manuals to the last minute, which is not good practice as we're trying to hand the project over, meet the deadlines, and of course the O&M manual is not high on the priority list. Doing at the end means a lot of information is lost during the project.
So do you have any problems finding your way around OMTrak?
I have no problems finding my way around OMTrak. In fact, recently one of the other guys in the office was compiling hard copy O&M manuals whilst my colleague and I were loading straight up into OMTrak. We both said we're glad we're not doing it the old-fashioned way.
Would you say that it's improved CDC's delivery of O&M manuals on their projects?
When we're using OMTrak, we save time and money not having to print out multiple copies. We're not getting the endless calls from the head contractor asking where we're at. And also the client and the consultant can log on and advise as the work progresses. Also, the completed manual is a lot better finished product than a box of folders. I guess the main benefit is we can start the uploading process well in advance of the practical completion and we can concentrate on our next project. Every day spent after handover working on O&M manuals is lost profit on the job. At CDC we take a lot of pride in our manuals. Given the amount of hard work that goes into them, it's frustrating when they're misplaced or poorly used. If we get called to a breakdown, it's frustrating to find the owner often hasn't followed the correct instructions, and all these problems could have been avoided. We have to do manuals anyway, so in this day and age it makes sense to do them electronically, and OMTrak is definitely the smarter way to go.
Well, thanks for your time this morning, Jamie. I certainly look forward to working with you on future projects, and I hope that you benefit from Jamie's feedback and experience.